Students, welcome to the virtual class. Let us cross check your home assignment. Question number 1. Write down the place value of the encircled digit. In A part, encircled digit is 4 and the place of 4 is 100. So the place value is 4 multiply 100 is equal to 400. In B part, encircled digit is 3 and which is at lakh place. So the place value is 3 multiply lakh is equal to 3 lakh. In C part, encircled digit is 3 and which is at 1000 place. So the place value is 3 multiply 1000, 3000. In D part, encircled digit is 8 and which is at ones place. So the place value is 8 multiply 1 is equal to 8. Come to the second question. Underline the numeral in which place value of 8 is 8 lakhs. It means in given option 8 should be at lakh place. So check the places and underline the correct answer. Broken table. 7 sevens are 49, 13 sixes are 78, 12 fives are 60, 2 1 is 2, 3 fours are 12, 15 twos are 30, 14 fives are 70, 11 tens are 110, 9 nines are 81, 8 twos are 16. Now let's come to the today topics. Let us discuss more about the place value. Look at this place value chart and write down the place value of the encircled digit. Now I think you are orally calculate the place value and write the answer directly. In A part, 5 is at tens place. So the place value is 5 multiply 10. It means 50. So you write the answer directly 50. Now in B part, 7 is at lakh place. So orally calculate the place value of 7. 7 multiply 1 lakh. The answer is 7 lakh. In C part, encircled digit is 2. Check the place of 2. That is ones. So 2 multiply 1 equal to 2. In D part, 3. Encircled digit is 3. So check the place. It is 100. So the place value is 3 multiply 100. 300. In E part, encircled digit is 0. Check the place, 1000. Then 0 multiply 1000. Answer is 0. Now, come to the next question. Compare the place value of the encircled digit in 7,46,273. Firstly, write the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now, calculate the place value. Place value of this 7 is 70 and place value of this 7 is 7 lakh. Now compare it. Now 7 lakh is greater than 70. Now home assignment. Try this assignment at home. In our next class, I will discuss the answer of these assignments. Thank you.